Want to build bridge in Rise of Castles but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to build bridge in Rise of Castles. So without any further ado, let's get started. Begin by tapping on the build button which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Before you build a bridge, you need to dig a river. If you don't have a river, you can build it by tapping on the dig river button. But if you already have a river, then you can build a bridge by tapping on the build a bridge button. At the bottom of your screen, you can see various types of bridges. Select any one bridge from here. After that, tap on the tick button. And that's how you can build a bridge in Rise of Castles. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.